Hi, welcome to HouseFlippingSpreadsheet.com. You're watching a quick video tutorial on how to change the unit prices on the Repair Cost Estimator. The Repair Cost Estimator is pre-built with 24 scopes of work and roughly 400 common work items that you will find on a typical rehab project. Each of these work items include estimated unit prices for labor, material, and subcontracted work based upon our experience as professional cost estimators, rehabbers, and the national average construction cost information backed by RS Means construction data. The prices included assume average grade construction materials, which is a step above builder grade, but a step below custom materials, and it's assumed that these materials will be installed by licensed and insured contractors. With that said, there are many factors that can influence your construction costs. In fact, if you click on the little question mark icon in the upper right hand corner, you will see some helpful tips on all the different factors that you need to consider for adjusting your repair costs for your specific project. We always recommend that you thoroughly evaluate the costs included within the Repair Cost Estimator and make the necessary adjustments to fit your specific project requirements and your local market conditions. And if you don't know how, or maybe you're uncomfortable estimating repair costs, be sure to receive contractor proposals from your local market before making any final investment decisions. With those estimating tips and disclaimers out of the way, it's really quite simple and easy to adjust your unit prices in the Repair Cost Estimator. Simply select the unit price cell that you want to adjust and input the new unit prices value into the cell. Once you input the quantity and adjust the unit prices, the estimator will multiply the quantity by the unit prices to calculate your totals for labor, material, and subcontracted costs and the overall cost for that item. We thank you for watching, and if you have any additional questions, feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call.